Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick how to know if your shock's dead. First off, if you're driving and you notice that you have a clunk in your rear, that's a pretty good sign. Watch this. Look at how slowly this retracts. So that's you pushing it down with your hand. It's barely coming back up. This one's at least coming up a little bit. This one, you would still change it, but it's not completely dead. If you squeeze this down and the absorber is not coming back up, that is a great sign. Like, look at him. That's how fast it should be coming back up. And he's pulling it apart. So that's a good way to find out. But yeah, like I said, if you're hitting bumps and you're hearing a knock in the rear, that's your bump stop. That's what that rubber piece is right here. And that's basically you bouncing off of that and that ricocheting through the frame. Anyways, that's a quick video on how to know if you have a clunk in the rear. Chances are it's this.